Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you the package that we received yesterday. Without further ado, let's unbox it. What do we have here? This is the new DJI Osmo 360. Unbox with me. Let's start with the accessories. So we have this neoprene protective pouch, and inside is the USB-C cable, a cleaning cloth. We also have this magnetic quick release adapter mount. Wow. We have this rubber lens protector, DJI stickers, battery case that has 3 extreme battery with 1950 milliamperes. And this 1.2 meter invisible selfie stick. And the most important thing, guys, is the camera. This camera is actually super light, 183 grams only, with a built-in storage of 105 gig. This is the 1-inch 360 imaging, the industry's first panoramic camera, which only means na kahit madilim, malinaw pa rin. We also have this DJI ecosystem wherein it's dual compatible with Mic Mini, Mic 2, and Mic 3. So if you are walking with someone, biking with someone, or with friends, you can use different mics in one video. With native 8K large pixel panoramic video, exceptional low light performance. We can also use the selfie mode with wide angle videos with the invisible 1.2 meter stick. I played with Insta360 before. I feel like this is better in terms of resolution. The low light is exceptional. Like in low light environments, you can really work with it. Even with the DJI Osmo Pocket, if we are in low light environments talaga, I really have to adjust it while I'm editing just for you to see me. With this one, it really makes a difference. I really hope you check it out. So far, I'm really loving this 360 DJI, and I'm very glad I got my hands on it. Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Melbourne. Time check, it's almost 7 o'clock. Yun nga, nakaschedule tayo ng brunch today at around 9. So let's go. Actually, si Michelle andun na sa labas. Let's just turn off the lights and we are going. Let's not forget the key. We are trying the DJI Osmo 360, guys, and it's so good sa car. Look. Yeah. We're gonna test this bad boy today. Let's go to Melbourne. start natin, nakabook tayo dito sa Old Man Drew. Magbe-breakfast pala tayo, guys. It's early. And yeah, let's go. Have some coffee. Uy, nag-76. Done with our breakfast. It was actually very cute. Ang cute doon, guys. The only indoor garden na restaurant na may aircon, may air conditioning doon. But anyway, masarap yung pagkain. That's the important thing. I had the pork belly. Pork belly, hindi man to bun.
Benny.
Pork belly Benny. Tapos yung kay Michelle, what did you have? Fried chicken burger. Yeah, it was good. Maganda yung ambience niya. May may kalamansi pa na
Wala ko naka-ask kung pwede bubuhay.
Nice kaya, may kalamansi. Yung garden nila, ganda. Anyway, we are heading to the DFO, guys. Gusto mag-shopping ni Michelle? Shopping!
Pwede ikalay swipe para...
Pwede niya. Bayarin lang ko soon. Welcome to Melbourne talaga ang kanilang
Parking.
Parking is $66. Imagine!
50 off if purchase.
Dapat mag-percent ka lang talaga ng receipt sa mga na-purchase mo. So that you can get 50% off. Otherwise, it's 66 AUD! Oh my goodness.
Gamay naman ihang off. 30 ra.
Like just a pop of color. Like a bubble. Tanan akong mga design. Meron ng white. Mga beige na lapat. Uy, bakit nandito tayo sa furniture? Ano nangyayari?
Kanina ni mong ba? Kung wala kay built-in
Sa
nga
Melbourne
kwan.
pa talaga naghanap.
Kung wala kay built-in nga mga...
color? Brown, no? Brown. Yo, like nice man ang poster. Ano ba? Ano ba? So, kami ay second round natin to guys. Kasi yung mga dala namin, nilagay na namin sa car kasi mabigat na. Balik ulit tayo. Ang daming tao today kasi holiday. King's birthday ngayon. So, ang daming tao dito. Nanapunta na rin. Andito na naman kami sa furniture shop.
Batik.
No? Ayun daw, pangit daw, pangit. Ay, ewan ba namin, lagi na lang kaming nag-enter sa mga furniture shop. Tapos na kami dito guys. Grabe yung daming tao talaga sa Nike, sa Adidas. Ay! We are going to Ate Rona's house. May pupuntahin kami dito guys. I'm so excited. Guys. Shopping day ni Michelle at tayo ay naangin. Shopping tayo ng konti lang. And then yun nga, we are going to our friend's house. Doon kami mag-overnight actually guys. Hindi namin ina-expect na mag-overnight kami ngayon kasi nga dapat morning ako tomorrow, pero nag-message ako sa isang kasama namin sa work if ever okay ba siya mag-swap. Tapos hindi siya nag-reply. So, sabi ko, balikan lang talaga kami. 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo balikan lang kami. Yung nangyari is, nag-reply siya kanina na hindi ko na ine-expect. Ay, ang init. So, yun nga guys, hindi ko na ine-expect na magre-reply pa siya ba. So, nag-reply siya kanina while nag-shopping kami. Sabi niya, ano na daw, inas daw niya yung in-charge. Tapos, okay na daw. So, swap na daw kami bukas. So, nag-message kami or tumawag si Michelle sa friend sa kikitain namin. And doon na kami matutulog sa kanila. Bukas tayo ng morning babalik para sa work natin na naging afternoon na. So, I'm so happy! Hindi kami magmamadali. Because today is King's birthday. Ang dami talaga ding sale sa DFO. Like, on top of the sale, meron pa siyang additional discount. So, gabi, daming nagsha-shopping. Andito na kami sa kanilang neighborhood, guys. Bagong development to siya. Mga bagay, mga houses. Ganda tingnan. May binili pala kaming pang housewarming. This is from Le Creuset. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Going to the city.
Pwede naman.
Bye, Carne Michelle.
Ilak, che.
Ay! Tara na dito.
So, unsa ang realization ninyo sa inyong pag-travel nurse?
Magpa-ferment tayo kagabi.
This is good. Muna yung secret. Secret.
Gusto ba mo realization sa imong pagka-nursing?
Ako realization yun na to no kay pwede na gid ay mausarang ka set na sinina ang level.
Terus pa din nga ako. Mata naman po.
Hi guys! We are back to our accommodation. My God, I'm so happy na nakapag-stay tayo ng longer talaga sa Melbourne, guys. And nakitulog tayo kay Ate Rona. Thank you so much, Ate Rona, for welcoming us. Diba, nag-breakfast pa kami and all. And good thing, yung ating contract dito is very close to Melbourne. It's less than 2 hours, guys. Like, mga 1 hour and 50 yung travel namin papunta dito. And ayun, we are working. We have like, anong oras na ba ngayon? Time check, it's 12:30. Our work is 1:30. So, enough time pa tayo to prepare. And we had a shower last night na din doon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili natin. Maybe in another vlog na siguro. Maggawa tayo ng haul. Konti lang naman yung binili natin. Alam nyo ba, mostly talaga sa ginawa ko doon. Ginawa namin ni Michelle doon is pumunta kami ng mga furniture, ng mga shops. And I'm so happy na ginawa namin yun kasi I've been checking for a few weeks now sa mga like furniture, mga couches and everything. And meron na ako mga idea kung ano yung mga gusto ko na mga brands. Pero, nung napunta ako doon, there are brands na akala ko very nice, very comfortable kasi ang ganda ng mga reviews, ang daming bumibili, taas ng rating. Pero, nung pumunta kami doon, tapos upuan namin yung kanilang mga couch, hindi pala siya ganun ka-comfortable. So, it's very important talaga nun na puntahan mo talaga at i-feel mo yung moment. Upuan mo talaga yung mga couches. Kasi, medyo concerned ako because we're doing a lot of traveling sa ating work. Sabi ko, magkaka-oras kaya ako or kailangan ko ba talaga na mag-pause sa work just to, mag-focus sa pag-furnish ng aking bahay in the future. Pero feeling ko talaga kailangan talaga na mag-pause ako and pumunta-punta talaga sa mga furniture shops para ma-make sure ko na yung bibilihin ko is good quality. Kasi what's the point of, buying expensive pero hindi pala siya masyadong maganda yung quality. The one that I checked out yesterday na akala ko mahal, tapos sobrang ganda talaga siya aesthetically, pero pag upaan nyo, hindi pala masyadong comfortable. And I'm all about comfort, also aesthetics. And even sa mga appliances, we also went to JB Hi-Fi. Chine-check ko na din kung magkano pala yung mga TVs, kasi wala naman ako idea kung magkano yung mga yan. So mga TVs, tapos yung mga fridge, ganon, kung ano yung feeling ko magugustuhan kong fridge. So, at least may idea na ako ngayon. By the moment na kailangan talaga nating bumili, it's gonna be way easier and way quicker. Happy talaga ako sa pagpunta natin sa Melbourne. And hopefully, makagala tayo ulit doon.